Hey guys, so I want to bring to you Blue Jean Blues with intro and solo and everything. I'm just going to play it and show it to you with this amazing illustration that me and my editor made specifically for you guys, and I think it's amazing. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so it starts right there, right? So this is what he's doing. Right? Just these three notes and then right? So what we have here is and then you hit this B minor, which you can do this way, or you can do it like this if you have long fingers like me. So this is a 6/8, but you can just count in 3. So it's the counting goes. So I'm doing it specifically like that, so you can hear the count, but the song goes. Right? So let's get into this solo section as he goes, and then I'll show you the other chords as he gets to it. But so far, this is all we got, right? Let me rewind here. So he goes. Already in the beginning, we have this beautiful octave, and this is what it does. So in order to perform that specific move, it's impossible unless we're in the key of B, because we have that open B right here, right? Because otherwise you'd have to hit this octave with your finger, and you'd have to go. And it's just impossible to do it. So the way he does it is he keeps hitting this open B, and he goes. So it's. Right? And then. So that's. And he just fades it out. Now, here's the beautiful thing here, and you should learn as a musician. Do not hit every string with the same intention. And this is exactly what Billy is doing right here. He starts off strong. He goes. And then he fades off. The touch on the string just fades away, right? Right? And it's beautiful dynamics from Billy, and something you must adapt to your playing. Right? So then we got. Now the trick with this one, so and the bass is going. Right? The thing with this is when you hit slow bend and then vibrato while the string is hitting the full this one, but you have it, but you wanna really vibrato it dirty in the air, you know, like right? Now here's something I want to add on to this, why, and kind of talk about a little bit why this song touched everybody, right? And B.B. King did the same exact thing with Thrill Is Gone, right? And a lot of these blues guys, if you listen to their most famous songs, it's in minor, right? Even though it's bluesy and it has that blues progression, it is in minor, even Thrill Is Gone. Right? And it's memorable. So for whatever reason, the minor solos are way more memorable than your major. You know what I mean? It just doesn't stick to your head for whatever reason that is. I don't know, but I figured out that no major bluesy song just stays in your head. Even the solos or the song or the singing, it's the minor ones that kind of weasel through in blues music. And by the way, we worked very hard for this illustration for you guys, and if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help us out a lot. Continuing on to the video. Right? So still in one.
Ran into my baby and finally found my old blue jean.
Staying on that one, right? So that what he did there was a bend right here. Same exact on the last one. Bends and then kind of vibratos it as dirty as he can. Right? We're on the one route, minor one, right? We go. Right? And soon we're gonna go to that 4, right? And listen to it. It's coming. Woo! So it's another. He does something like that, right? My ear. I'm not amazing, right? I'm trying to get as close as he's going. He's doing something like that.
I done ran into my baby.
So now he's going, you can. And this is E minor. So we were in B, right? So we're doing. Now if you listen to this, right? He's not just going to the 4, which is E minor. He walks up to it. He goes. Right? And then back to. Right?
I finally found my old blue jeans.
Back to 1, right? Same thing as last lick, so I'm not gonna show this.
I could tell.
Now he's going here, if you listen to it, he's going to that 5, which is right, that's that. Now he plays F sharp major, but I like to play the F sharp major 7. Right, listen to this. And then he will go to E minor, and then back to, and that's the turnaround in the minor, and then back to. So if you want to loop this or play along with him, that's basically all he does throughout the whole thing.
My day was mine.
That's that 5, right?
From the oil and the gasoline.
Back to 1. Sorry, missed it. So he's doing. That's going, which is. Now, so we've come too far. I want you guys to a little bit try to figure it out on your own what he's playing, and I'm not gonna do the full thing because it's too long. But if you guys want the full thing, I will do it in my Patreon, and those of you who want to support the channel, you can check that out. If you like this tone, you can check it out in the Patreon and all that good stuff. But let's continue just a little bit on this. I want to show you a couple of things. Get to the solo a little bit. So it's going. So this is a beautiful thing that John Mayer does a lot, the rake thing. That's you want to add that to your arsenal, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Ooh. I'll teach you guys this one. So he goes right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's ugh. So if you want to play along with this, I hope I showed you enough so you can enjoy. And if you want to support the channel, again, check out Patreon. If you want this tone, it's on my Patreon. I'm healing. I'll be back with 2 videos a week. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.